Hi, I'm Tammy, a lecturer and researcher from Akademi Komunitas Industri Manufaktur Banteng in Indonesia. In my community, we face challenges in managing waste and optimizing renewable energy solutions, particularly in rural areas. Limited access to advanced technologies like AI has made it difficult to address these issues efficiently. As a researcher, my goal has been to find innovative solutions to improve waste management and energy conversion, using AI to maximize the potential of local resources. I've incorporated AI models into my research, such as using machine learning to optimize the production of biofilms from waste materials, and I've worked with local industries to integrate these AI-driven solutions. I've also educated my students on how AI can transform traditional processes. These efforts have led to more efficient energy production and waste reduction processes, bringing us closer to creating a zero-waste model in our community. I'm excited to join the Yseali AI Futuremakers workshop to further develop these skills and drive meaningful change with AI in Southeast Asia. Thank you.